Here at the VFW. They have a nice place for veterans to stay when they need. And someone took the key, won't return it, so I'm going to open it and then rekey it to a new key. There's like 8 locks around there, but I'm going to just pop one off and turn it the wrong way, but doesn't really matter. Should have turned my machine on before I started. Still turned, still picked. I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, we're gonna figure these cuts out. Fairly simple. Put a key in. You can see the ones that are a little bit higher and some are flush. So we got 1, 3, 4, 4, 2. Oh yeah, and then someone online told me all I gotta do is swap 2 around. And then I don't have to change any pins. That's what we're gonna do. I forgot already. Cut. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's flush. So this key will work on the rest of them. So now we're gonna change the last 2 around. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna do 2, 4, 2, 4, and then cut another key. All right, so when you do it this way, you can't reuse the same keys. You have to make new keys. All right, so this will be our new key. The last 2 don't line up. You can see them, one's too big, one's too low. I'll swap these 2 pins around. You can kind of see it. Yep. This one back on the door. That's the new key. So this 2, 4 is probably not going to work. If it doesn't, then we'll have to cut it as a 1, 4. But it barely works, so we can probably use it for what we need. Okay, this key is barely passing, but it is passing, so it is easy. Hope no one's in here. Oh, yeah, there is. It's making my life difficult. Let me just cut another one. All right, so this one's done, and then we're gonna rekey the rest to match. Put it back on, you basically just push it back in, make sure it's clicked so the smell doesn't come out, and that's it. All right, we're gonna pull the rest off, swap those 2 pins around, and we'll be done with this part of the job. Here's our new key. That's it. The other key will not work anymore, and this is the only key that will work. Well, this and whatever copies I make, I guess. And whatever pick tool you use. Okay, this one's done. Could put these 2 back on. Put this one in. But if your job's gonna look like this when you're done, just don't do it. Hire a professional. You may make it harder for someone else to. I'm gonna put a new screw in there if I can get this one out. When they do this. Just need a few turns on it. I'll get it the rest of the way with my fingers. At this point, I'm putting a new screw in there anyway, so. That actually turned quite a bit. All right, we'll find a new screw for this one. If you're gonna do these, and you don't want to fit the screw, simply put your drill on your lowest setting. And then push firm too on the screw, because if it's jumping, it'll strip. So when you do it, push nice and firm into the, then it doesn't jump. Or use a screwdriver. Hey. All right, so I'm gonna put this one back on. I rekeyed it. Let's try to key in. Good. I'll grab the new screw out of my car, my van. Or just go slowly with the drill. That should also take care of that problem. And the next guy won't have a hard time taking it off. Got one more side to do. All right. They're doing these smart locks. Let me open this door first. So this key, this is an old key. Always spray these with WD-40 or some type of lube when you do them, because then you won't get a call back a week later saying the lock stopped working. If you don't, you take that risk. And this key doesn't work, so I guess it's on a different key anyway. Okay, we'll have to pull this one off the door to rekey it. So we do not have a working key. Let's see, does this right, we'll take that off the door. All right, so we got one lock to rekey here at this commercial property that does not have a working key, or at least I don't have a working key to it. So this is how you would rekey it. This is a quick set smart lock without a working key. First thing is, I'm gonna get that clip out. It holds the cylinder in. It's right here on the back side of it. Already pushed it down, now I just gotta, I figured this hook would work pretty good, but look at me struggling with it. Okay, it's probably easier if it goes from the top, but anyway. All right, pop your cylinder out, throw it into this little thing, whatever that is. You put it into this dongle. You can edit that out. Okay, you put it into this dongle without it being turned, so there's an arrow lines up with the where it goes in. Make sure it's all the way in. Turn it. You hit that little pin, just like you would normally now. New key in. We'll really take the cylinder out, doesn't matter. Anyway, new key in, turn it, that's it. That will be your new key. And it should work fine. There you go. So this can go back on the door. This one is done. Drop our cylinder back in. Little clip on the back. There you go. It's nice and tight in there. It'll come out.